In this video, I'm going to show you how to find someone on Snapchat without having their username. So here's how to do it. First, of course, you want to open up your Snapchat app. Then from there, you want to click on the top right for this plus icon. Now, if you don't know their username, you won't be able to use the search feature because, that's why you clicked on this video. Now, if you have them in your contacts, what you can do is go under this quick add and click on all contacts. First, enable this option if you have it disabled. And once you have enabled it, all of those contacts will appear right over here and you will be able to add them. Also, once you add them, they will know that you are from their contacts because I think Snapchat tells them, so they're more likely going to accept you. Of course, if for some reason they don't have a Snapchat, you can of course invite them, and if they have gave you just their snap code, which basically contains all the information you need to add someone on Snapchat, you can click on the top right, as you can see the Snapchat logo, click on that snap code, and then Snapchat will read the information from that picture and they will be added. So those are a few ways to do it, and if none of those ways can be applicable to you, then unfortunately you won't be able to find them. Maybe what you can do, if you know their name, you can type in their name and potentially find them this way. But yeah, that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.